Everyone keep your devices on mute, please. '36 District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen as presiding. While court's in session, there's no talking, reading, sleeping, chewing of gum, moving around, walking about, laying in bed. Please be mindful that you're in court. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Petway. Good morning, Ms. Dan.
Good morning, Judge.
What case would you like to start with?
Judge, we can start with Mr. Robinson. Ernest Robinson.
All right, Mr. Robinson,
Yes.
this is the people versus Ernest Robinson on ticket number P1210992, count 1, drive with revoked license. Good morning, please state your names for the record, starting with Attorney Nance.
Good morning, Judge. May it please the court, Janeki Nance, P68686, appearing on behalf of Mr. Robinson. Mr. Robinson, would you please state your name for the record?
Ernest Ray Robinson.
Judge, today is the date and time set for trial regarding Mr. Robinson's matters. The defense is ready to proceed. I do not believe that the officer who issued the ticket, Officer Hussein Majed, has appeared before the court today. If he has indeed not appeared, we move to dismiss without prejudice for officer failing to appear.
Matter was set for. See what time it is. This matter was set for 8:35. It is now 10:26. No officer has checked in, so the court will dismiss this matter without prejudice. Good luck to you, Mr. Robinson. You're all set.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so you're all set, Mr. Robinson.
Okay.
Good luck, sir.
Thank you so much.
What would you like to do next, Mr. Mayor?
Judge, we can do Miss Brianna Rowland. Hamilton Rowland, she's hyphenated.
Oh. Okay, just give me 1 second, please.
Yes. Mr. Janicki, was there a U ticket with Mr. Rowland?
No, let me look on this and make sure. All I saw was one. I did not see, because this was a state ticket,
Yes.
so I did not see a U ticket, even on the docket.
Okay, what we doing? Okay, we'll just go for it.
Okay. All right.
I
this is-
actually had Zoom court. I'm sorry, you respectfully. I had Zoom court about that ticket last month, and that too was dismissed.
Okay. figure it out. But, okay, this is the People versus Brianna Rowland, on ticket number SE 33-00252, count one, drive while license suspended. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Nance.
Janeki Nance appearing on behalf of Ms. Rowland. Ms. Rowland, please state your name for the record.
Brianna Tenay Rowland.
Judge,
Present.
today's the date and time set for trial. The defense is ready to proceed on this particular ticket. Judge, at this time, the defense is moving to dismiss based on two factors. First, we are moving to dismiss based on the age of the ticket. This is a ticket that was issued under the state code on June 15th, 2021. Based on the memorandum of understanding, any ticket that is older than 7 years, the state of Michigan, Wayne County Prosecutor's Office has agreed to dismiss those tickets due to the age of the tickets. And we would also be asking for a dismissal because the officer who issued the ticket has not appeared in court, Jonathan Henry. That's the information that we have at this particular point.
And just for the record, Ms. Nance, you stated 2021, looks like it was 2011.
Oh, I do apologize. I meant June 15, 2011, Judge. Thank you.
Okay, so the court will dismiss without prejudice due to the age of the ticket and also for the officer failing to appear, as this was set for 8:35. It is now 10:30. As far as the U ticket, it is closed out. So Ms. Hamilton Rowland, you are all set, ma'am. Did you have any questions?
No, you all have been great. Thank you, Your Honor, and thank you, Attorney Nance,
You're welcome.
for a wonderful day. Can I log out now?
Yes, you can. Good luck to you.
Okay. Everybody have a good day.
All right, what would you like to do next, Ms. Nance?
Ms. DeBook?
Yes, are you able to hear me?
We can.
Yes, we.
Okay.
For your file, give me one moment. This is the People versus Noir Dubuque, ticket number U 601-27821, count one, trespassing in restricted area. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Nance.
And Janeki Nance appearing on behalf of Ms. DeBook. Ms. DeBook, would you please state your name for the record?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Noor Dubuque.
Judge, today's a date and time set for a pretrial regarding Ms. DeBook's matters. We've gone over her matters at this time. There's a recommendation to dismiss without prejudice, and we join in that recommendation.
Okay, so the court will dismiss this ticket without prejudice. Any questions, Mr. Wu?
No, thank you, Judge, and thank you, Attorney.
You're welcome.
You're all set. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Take care.
Thank you. All right, Ms. Nance, what would you like to do next?
Judge, may we do Ms. Denisha Davis?
Davis. Okay. All right, this is the People versus Denisha Davis on ticket number P10163006, count one, no insurance misdemeanor. We're also here on ticket number P138187, count one, expired plates, count two, no proof of insurance. Ticket number P138188, count one, drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number 1443860, count one, allowing a licensed driver to drive. Ticket number 1623169 count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, count 2, allowing unlicensed driver to drive. Ticket number 1623952 count 1, allowing unlicensed driver to drive, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. I think that's it. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Nance.
Janeki Nance appearing on behalf of Ms. Davis. Ms. Davis, if you could unmute your microphone and state your name for the record.
Denisha Davis.
Judge, today's the date and time set for an arraignment on the bench warrant. We ask that any KPs be set aside, any warrants recalled. As it relates to the arraignments, we waive formal reading, stand mute to each.
All right, court will set aside any warrants or cases. There is an offer, Ms. Nance. Does your client wish to avail herself to that offer?
Yes, Judge, she does.
Okay. Ms. Davis, can you raise your right hand?
Yes,
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
yes,
Okay, you can put your hand down. Ms. Davis, you've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Nance today in private about your case and your rights.
can you repeat that, please?
You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Nance today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your plea today?
No, ma'am.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes,
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
yes,
Just keep your voice up. You understand that by pleading guilty, you are waiving your right to trial?
yes,
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
yes,
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of August 15, 2019, at approximately 1:30 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near the location of East Warren and Van Dyke in the city of Detroit?
yes,
Were you driving a 2001 Chevrolet vehicle?
yes,
And did you not have insurance?
yes,
Satisfied, Judge.
All right, the court is also satisfied on the factual basis. Since then, you stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulated, Judge.
Okay, so the court will dismiss the remaining counts without prejudice. Ms. Davis, are you currently working?
I'll start working tomorrow.
You start working tomorrow?
Yes,
Okay. So there's gonna be a fine of $200. Because you are just now getting employment, I'm gonna give you some time to pay this fine. Or you can
Yes.
do community service in lieu of the fine. It's up to you. Would you prefer to do the fine or the community service?
I could do the fine.
Judge, and just for the record, she did post a $600 bond. We are asking that that bond go towards her costs and fees.
Okay, well, that works out even better then. So then you don't need that much time to get this taken care of. So, what you can do, Ms. Davis, is because you paid $600 in your bond, the $200 will
Yes.
go to the fine, and then you should get a refund. So I'm gonna say that your due date of having this paid is June 20th.
Okay.
Did you have any questions?
So how do I go about the bond money?
You would come down. Uh-oh.
Yeah, just.
You would come down to the courthouse and to the bond window, and you can give me your name, let them know that this has been resolved, and that your bond money can go to the ticket.
Okay, then. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Any other questions?
No, thank you.
You're all set.
I didn't hear you.
You're all set. You're done.
Thank you so much.
Ms. Nance, what would you like to do next?
Kimberly Robinson, Judge.
Ms. Robinson, can you unmute yourself?
Good morning.
Good morning. This is the People versus Kimberly Robinson on ticket number P430796. Count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. And count 3, fails to display a valid operator's license, not a person. Good morning. Please state your name for the record, starting with Attorney Nance.
Janeki Nance appearing on behalf of Ms. Robinson. Ms. Robinson, please state your name for the record.
Kimberly O'Neill Robinson.
Judge, today's the date and time set for an arraignment on the bench warrant. We ask that any cases be set aside, any warrants recalled. As it relates to the arraignments, we waive formal readings, stand mute to each. There is a recommendation. We join in that recommendation to dismiss.
Okay, so this ticket will be dismissed without prejudice due to the age of the ticket. So Ms. Robinson, you are all set. There's no fine. And good luck to you, ma'am.
Judge,
Thank
$300. There is a $300 bond that she posted. We're asking that that be refunded.
Okay, it'll be automatically refunded.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, good luck, Ms. Robinson.
Thank you.
All right, what would you like to do next, Ms. Nance?
Ms. Riley?
Renato Riley, can you unmute
Yes,
yourself,
Judge.
please? Look on the bottom left-hand corner, there should be a microphone. Tap that. You might have to tap your screen to pull it up. You got it, Ms. Riley?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
There you are, okay. This is versus Renato Riley on ticket number P1177472, count 1, defective windshield. We're also here on ticket number P1177148, count 1, drive while license suspended, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, and count 3, expired plate. Good morning, please state your names for the record, starting with Attorney Nance.
Janeki Nance appearing on behalf of Ms. Riley. Ms. Riley, please state your name for the record.
Renata Riley, good morning.
Judge, today's the date and time set for show cause. As it relates to the arraignment, we waive formal reading, stand mute. Judge, with this particular matter, after speaking with Ms. Riley, it does appear Ms. Riley has another case that is pending before the court as well. That is ticket number Z8082481. Judge, it appears that she has a final pretrial date on that ticket on June 21st, 2022. And I do believe that is a high BAC case, and she's represented by appointed counsel Harry Baughman. Judge, for judicial economy, we are going to ask that all of her matters that were before the court today be scheduled for a pretrial on that same exact date in order to try to resolve all of those matters.
Ms. Nance, what was that date again?
I believe it's June 21st, 2022, Judge.
All right, so the court will adjourn all these matters to that date of June 21st, so that everything can be consolidated and dealt with. Okay, Ms. Riley,
Okay, thank you.
do you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
Did you give her a time?
Oh, thank you.
She didn't get a time, Judge.
Pretrial.
Yeah, we should have done it. 8:35,
This with the same judge?
yes.
Okay.
Right on there too. Hey, Ms. Riley, you're all set. You can.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. What's next, Ms. Nan?
Ms. Karen Rucker.
Ms. Rucker, you can unmute yourself, ma'am. This is the People versus Karen Rucker. I'm taking up C 112155. Count one, failure to correct code violation in a timely manner for securing a permit for repairs. And we're also here on ticket number B 112154. Count one, failure to call for inspection upon time. Good morning. Please state your names for the record, starting with Attorney Nan.
Good morning, Judge. Janeki Nance appearing on behalf of Ms. Rucker. Ms. Rucker, state your name for the record.
Karen Rucker.
Okay, and Inspector Walton, did you want to say your name for the record, ma'am?
Yes, I'm Inspector Walton, ID 1477.
Ms. Nance, how does your client wish to proceed?
Judge, today's a date and time set for a final pretrial. After speaking with Ms. Rucker and also having an opportunity to look at the register of actions associated with these two matters, it appears that Ms. Rucker previously asked for a jury trial for this matter. My experience has been is when a defendant usually asks for a jury trial, it is scheduled for a final pretrial. With talking with Ms. Rucker regarding this matter, Judge, I'm going to ask for a couple of things. She wants to continue her demand for a jury trial. The second thing is, with this particular matter and discussing it, I am going to ask that Ms. Rucker be allowed to ask for appointed counsel as she moves forward with this, with requesting a jury trial.
And Your Honor, if the people may respond, Tamika Horn on behalf of the City of Detroit, P70303. It is my understanding that today was the date and time set for that final pretrial because Ms. Rucker wants an in-person jury trial. As such, the people are asking that a jury trial date be set with, I think Ms. Nance, procedurally what they're doing here at 36th District is Monday is the pretrial date and Tuesday would be the jury trial date.
Well, I can't say what would be what because I wouldn't be the attorney of record. I'm only house counsel for today. And that's why I also indicated as she moves forward, I am requesting that assigned counsel be appointed to represent her as it relates to the jury trial moving forward.
Yep, and no objection to that, Your Honor. The people are just hoping to set this for jury trial. And the dates are set pretty far in advance. Each courtroom has its own, I think, set of jury trial dates so that, jury trials aren't going on throughout the courthouse due to COVID.
Okay, give me one moment, please.
Thank you, Judge.
she can go back in the breakout.
All right, so, Ms. Nan?
Yes, Judge.
And Ms. Rucker and Inspector Walton, we can set it for a jury trial on October 11th at 10 o'clock for a jury trial. It's my understanding, Ms. Rucker, that you're requesting appointed counsel. So I think Ms.
Yes,
Nance,
fine.
okay, so Ms. Nance, there is a form that we have, that you're gonna have to speak to Ms. Rucker to kind of like interview her a little bit. And I can put Ms. Rucker can go back in a breakout room and we're done with these matters. Speak with her and then we can, and we can send the form to you so you can kind of go through with her. And then the court can send it to the appropriate.
That's fine, Judge. I think we only have one additional matter to do. So once we conclude that, I can do that and it won't be a problem.
Oh, awesome,
And-
thank you.
And Your Honor, October the 11th, I do have a jury trial scheduled for that week. So I'm not sure how soon.
I don't know if I don't have any other days.
Okay. Okay, Judge, let me see, and let me take a look at what case this is. I can determine whether it will go.
And what about in July? We already have something set in July, Ms. Moore, correct?
Let me take a look, Your Honor. Okay, so. July. Let me go through the month. Intro. July 4th. Okay, I'm going through. Your Honor, I don't see anything scheduled for jury trial in July, according to my calendar.
I was 11.
Okay, so July.
July 12th.
Okay, July 12th. Okay. Yes, Your Honor.
If you don't see anything, guess I should work.
Yep, I don't see anything.
We're gonna check just to be on the safe side.
Your Honor, can you repeat that, please?
We're just looking to make sure we don't have anything on the docket.
Gotcha. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, so yes, so we'll.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll set it for July 11th at 10 o'clock.
Okay, and that would be the pretrial date, Your Honor?
I thought that would be the jury trial date.
I think July 11th was Monday. From what I understand, the way the courts are scheduling it, they're holding pre-trials the day before the jury trial is scheduled so that, you know, the parties can agree that it's actually going. I don't anticipate it. Yeah.
Yes, I'm sorry. July 11th would be the pre-trial date.
Okay.
And then July 12th would be the jury trial date. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor, for clarifying. And we only have one complaining witness at this time, so I don't anticipate it going very long.
Okay, thank you. All right, so Ms. Rucker, you'll be put back in a breakout room and hopefully very shortly, Ms. Nance will come and speak with you to get things set up to see if it's appropriate for you to have appointed counsel, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And Inspector Walton, did you get those dates? I know it's a little bit confusing, but
Yes,
July
July
11th will be
11th for the pre-trial and July 12th for the jury trial, yes.
for listening.
And the time is, what time is 8:30 or 8:35 or 10?
Right.
July 11th.
8:35 for July 11th, and then July 12th at 10.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Inspector Walton.
Yeah, thank you. Y'all have a good day.
Okay, you too.
You too.
Like a man.
Rucker, just mute your microphone for right now, okay?
Ms. Dawson, that we have left?
Yes, Judge.
Oh, what is here?
We can still hear your microphone, Ms. Rucker. If you can mute that for us, please.
This is the People versus Lastacia Dawson on ticket number P988397, count 1, allowing unlicensed driver to drive, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, ticket number P984205, count 1, allowing unlicensed driver to drive, and count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please state your names for the record, starting with Attorney Nan.
Good morning, Judge. May it please the court. Janeki Nance appearing on behalf of Ms. Dawson. Ms. Dawson, would you please state your name for the record?
Lastacia Dawson.
Judge, today's the date and time set for an arraignment on the bench warrant. We ask any cases be set aside, any warrants recalled. As it relates to the arraignments on all 4 matters, we waive formal reading, stand mute. Judge, there is a recommendation that if she were to plead to 1 count of allowing an unlicensed driver to operate a motor vehicle, I believe that's ticket in 2051, the remaining 3 matters would be dismissed. It is my understanding that Ms. Dawson would like to accept that recommendation. Is that correct, Ms. Dawson?
Yes.
Okay, Ms. Dawson, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, you can put your hand down. Ms. Dawson, you've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Nance today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your plea today?
No.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
And you understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
Right, and knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with this guilty plea?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to direct your attention to the date of April 5th, 2019 at approximately 11:18 a.m. On that date and time, were you at or near the location of Fairfield Avenue and Finkel in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And were you driving a 2001 Saturn vehicle?
Judge,
No.
an allowed
Oh,
unlicensed driver.
I'm sorry. I got it right. Thank you. Did you allow an unlicensed driver to drive that vehicle?
Yes.
Okay.
Satisfied, Judge.
Okay, and the court is also satisfied with the factual basis. We'll accept the admissions to count 1, and will you stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated, Judge.
Okay, so the remaining counts are dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to disposition. Ms. Dance, Ms. Dawson, did she pay a bond?
Judge, I think I forgot to ask her that question. Ms. Dawson, did you post a bond regarding these matters?
I did not. They gave me a PR bond, I believe she said.
Okay, a personal recognizance. No, Judge, but she is ready to proceed with sentencing.
Okay, thank you. Ms. Dawson, are you currently working?
I am.
Okay, so there is gonna be a $200 fine. I can give you to June 20th to pay that. Will that be enough time or do you need additional time?
That's fine.
Okay, so it will be due June 20th. Did you have any questions?
No, not regarding, I guess, this matter. That's
Okay, and you know that you can pay it online. There's kiosks around the city where you can pay it. And there's also a phone number.
okay. What's the phone number?
The phone number is 855-798-1547.
Oh, wait, I do have one question. I'm sorry.
Okay.
With these tickets, because I actually got a letter in the mail that was saying that they were continuously suspending my license. I guess for this matter, would that take me out of that?
It should, go ahead, Ms. Nance.
Let me just say this. We don't know if it's these tickets. We don't know if it's other things associated with the Secretary of State. You cleared up these matters today. You should be able to go back to the Secretary of State. They should be able to look at your driving license record. to let you know whether or not you can get your license reinstated. That is the only entity that can provide you with that information, okay?
Okay, okay.
Any other questions?
No, that's it.
Okay, you're all set, ma'am. Good luck to you.
Thank you. Thank you, attorney.
You're welcome. If I can be placed back in the breakout room with Ms. Rucker, I am going to complete the form that the court needs.
Okay.
And also, Your Honor, there's a 1+ Nord just it came in the waiting room. It could have been, it
Is that
could be,
Mr. Dobbs?
it could be, he could.
Okay, because I did speak with Mr. Dobbs and I was wondering what happened with him.
Okay.
So I'm gonna let him to see.
Yeah, we can bring him in and we'll see if it's Mr. Dobbs, we'll do it. If not. let's do another day.
Good morning. Can I have your complete name?
And Judge, if you just give me one moment, I'm going to get the sheet for Ms. Rucker.
Okay. 1+ Nord. Could I have your complete name? First caller, 1+ Nord N200 5G phone. Can I have your name? OnePlus Nord N200 5G phone. Can I have your name, please? Caller with the phone number ending in N as in Nancy 200 5G. Can I have your name, please?
He can't hear you. I sent him a direct message. He's not connected to audio, whoever that is. While we're waiting on that, is it possible, Mr. Petway, that you can place me and Ms. Rucker into the breakout room?
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay. I'm gonna put you both in. Hold on, I gotta reopen the rooms. Okay. Okay, breakout room 1. And breakout room. Mhm. Okay, caller, let's 1+ Nord N200. What is your name?
Say your name. Hello?
What is your name, sir?
Who am I speaking with?
You're in Judge Raeigen Evans courtroom.
Okay, this is my first time. I don't know what I'm doing.
First of all,
His name is Tadario Reese.
Tadario Reese. Oh, he's late. And he has to remove the head gear off his head, and he has to put on a shirt.
Okay, put on a shirt.
And remove your nightcap off your head. Could you spell your last name?
Reece.
Okay. His last name is Reese. I don't have him on the docket, Mr. Ratliff.
What was his first name?
I do believe
Tadario, Tedario.
All right, you got a case number? You guys have a case number?
Hold on for a minute. I'm about to do that right now. This is his girlfriend talking to you. Hold up. Case number. Hold on. Mm. Mm-mm. Bear with me, please. Hold. Case number, case number, case number. We just got the paper when he went to 36th District Court to proceed the case. This is the
listen up,
document right here. There is no docket number.
Okay, I need you to call the courtroom, 965-2290.
965-2290.
Disconnect from Zoom and call the courtroom.
So he can be able to hear from there.
Yeah, just disconnect from Zoom and call the courtroom. I'm waiting on your call
What's
now.
the number again? What's the number again, sir?
313-965-2290.
965-2290. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Okay, what is your license? Driver's license. Person, you have a driver's license. I need a driver's license. You don't have a driver's license then? Okay, so you don't have a case number. You can't find a case number. You don't have a driver's license. It was at 1:30, you said? Is that 1:30? Right? Okay, let me look at 1:30. I have you 1:30 now. So you have to write a quote. So you're gonna zoom in at 1:30 instead of now. So at 1:30, then you zoom in. Okay. 1:30.
Okay, Judge, I think we're ready to go. I have all I need for Ms. Rucker. I'm going to scan that and email it over. I did have her leave since I got all the information from her, if that was okay.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah, just get the form back to the court. We'll sign it and we'll send it out.
Okay,